Hey everyone, just when you thought your iPhone couldn't get any smarter, Apple has dropped a bombshell on us with the release of iOS 18. Yes, you heard that right. Let's dive into what makes iOS 18 not just an update, but a transformation of the iPhone experience. First up, customization. As I go on with this video, I would greatly appreciate it if you could like and subscribe to support my channel. Imagine tailoring your iPhone's interface just the way you like it. With iOS 18, it's not just possible, it's easy and intuitive. Whether you're tweaking your home screen or adjusting how notifications pop up, iOS 18 puts you in the driver's seat. Now let's talk about the Photos app. It's not just an update, it's a complete overhaul. Organizing and sharing your memories has never been easier. With smarter sorting and intuitive editing, your photo gallery is now as personal as your photo album used to be. Connectivity just leveled up too. Ever found yourself in a spot with no cell service? Well, iOS 18 introduces messages via satellite. Yes, you can now send messages even when you're off the grid. How cool is that? And security. Apple's not playing around here. The new Passwords app in iOS 18 enhances security like never before, keeping your private data locked down but still just a tap away for you. That's peace of mind right there. But the game changer, Apple Intelligence. This new feature brings a personal intelligence system right to your iPhone, making it not just a tool, but a smart companion that anticipates your needs and simplifies your life, all while ensuring your privacy is paramount. Craig Federighi, Apple's Senior VP of Software Engineering, says iOS 18 kicks off a new era of personal intelligence with intuitive and powerful experiences transforming the iPhone in ways we've never seen before. And I, for one, can't wait to see it in action. So whether you're a tech guru or just someone who likes their phone to be as smart as possible, iOS 18 seems set to redefine our expectations and experiences. Apple sure knows how to keep things exciting, huh? Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more updates just like this one. Can't wait to hear your thoughts on iOS 18 in the comments below. Catch you in the next video.